talk to you, but the moment the music starts, I'm in the moment. I'm not like you like that. No, I do not want that. I want you to be a professional actor. Okay, the moment the music starts, you got into the mood. You have to be the person you want to be. That's first thing. And the second thing, when doing that, start to feel a little homesick. I don't know how, but what I feel is like a dance one. I get something a little, like my body is clap. And then feeling, you can add things like that in, but you didn't really change my choreography. You clear? So this is why you see all the dance one, no matter who's dancing. Okay, always a little bit different, because they put something in there. For today, I'm not just teaching you how you work on your artistry, and also I want to use this teaching you how you be unique, be yourself. You clear? Okay, so this time we do once by yourself. Listen, remember, when your music starts, your whole body you need to get into the mood. Even your face, you got it in there. Okay, when your face is in there, and then feelings really react your emotion. Your facial expression like a key open the emotion door. You cannot just do whatever you want, right? So right in that moment. Okay? So just get into that moment. As long as you feel it, this is no right and wrong. As long as you feel it. So I feel like dance one, but you feel like falling in love. It doesn't matter, I don't care. As long as you feel it, you trust it, and then you dance with it, and the audience will believe it. Believe what you see, what you are doing. Okay? You have to follow your instinct, trust it, and doing it. Okay? That's very good. Okay? So another thing I want to let you guys know, I said you add things in. Some things you can add in, some things you cannot. Okay? For example, you do the from here where is it? Yes, and whatever. So okay. So I see some girls use too much shoulders. You think all emotion is here. Okay, the shoulder things cannot use. Okay, because they're against ballet technique. But what you can add in, for example, you do ballet. I can make a ballet, circle around, and then feel you fit, almost fit. That things you can add in as acting, but you cannot add in something against the ballet technique. That's not right. Just give you a little hint. So what you can add in, what you cannot add in. Yes? Okay, I want something against the ballet technique. That's not right. Just give you a little hint. So what you can add in, what you cannot add in.